Welcome to my unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Watch that just has been released. The Mi Watch is currently only available in China. The watch comes with the Chinese Mi AI instead of Google Assistant. It's using the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100 4G chipset with 1GB RAM, 8GB storage. The watch has an Ecm Functionality which is currently only available to Chinese users. It features the latest Google Wear OS adapted for the Chinese market, meaning no Google Play Store and a special version of the Wear OS companion app for your smartphone. The Mi Watch has NFC, a heart rate sensor, and GPS, GLONASS and Beidou on board, and is waterproof. Excellent battery life up to 36 hours with constant 4G connection thanks to a 570 mAh battery, the biggest so far in any smartwatch. It comes with its own Mi Watch app. The warranty and setup guide comes completely in Chinese. The custom charging dock has a magnet and is proprietary. A screen protector is attached to the watch out of the box. The standard version comes with a rubber band that is exchangeable. Button, microphone and dial on the right. The back features the heart rate sensor. The left side has another microphone and a cooling vent. In order to start the setup process, you have to use the MiWear APK that you can sideload from APK Mirror. Please see my follow-up video where I explain how to set up the Mi Watch properly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.